Hi, my name is Tammy. Welcome to our Wyoming Dutch oven cooking. What we thought we'd do today is one of our favorite fall meals. It's an elk roast, probably about a 3 to 4 pound. And it's very lean, so what I've done is I've rubbed it with our olive oil that's got garlic and herbs in it. And then we put 4 slices of our favorite bacon on top. And in our Dutch oven, I prepared our vegetables from our garden this morning. And I put potatoes and carrots and parsnips and onions. And then I put about 2 cups of beef broth in there. And what I'm going to do now is put our prepared roast in here and kind of nestle it down here amongst our vegetables. There, now it's all ready to cook, and we're going to cook it for about an hour to an hour and a half, and then check the temperature. Okay, we're out here to our Dutch oven cooking area. We started our fire about an hour ago and got a nice bed of coals going here, and we're going to use this size hook because we want it about at this height so we don't overcook it. And I'm going to go ahead and put some coals on the top. And we'll keep our fire going and keep a nice bed of coals going and add as we need. And then we're going to check this in about an hour and a half. We want to get our cooking temperature to about 150. You don't want to overcook it, but then you don't want it too well done. All right, well, great, thanks. We'll check back with you in about an hour and a half. Well, we're out here checking our Elk Roast. Of course, our temperature is dropping and the winds come up, but I'm going to go ahead and check it. It should be done. And it is about 162.64, which is perfect. Okay, great. Well, we hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you like these recipes, click on to I Like. You can enjoy some more of our recipes. Thank you. We'll talk to you later. Well, here we are in the house, and we got our beautiful elk roast all done. The vegetables are cooked perfect, and boy, does it smell good. And of course, we'd love to have a fine glass of red wine to go with it. We hope you enjoyed us today. If you like this video, you can click onto the like button, and please send us your email address and we'll send you free recipes. Thank you very much for joining us today.